Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Rizala. Papasok na ulit tayo. Yan, absent tayo ng ilang weeks, 1 week. Tapos 1 week din sa online. Yan, nagbakasyon ng Coron. Ngayon, nandito tayo ulit. And di ko anong mga kaganapan today. Malapit na. Ilang buwan na rin ay pinapasok ni Coron. Ano guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa akin, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification para updated kayo sa aking mga video. Good guys!
I like that the way you carry, but it's risky to carry.
Same time.
From leg.
Then leg, yeah.
Ah, okay. Come back.
Come back.
Where are you going there? She's going to heaven. Let her go.
Now is the
Weak leg.
Yes.
Yeah,
Weak with the crutches.
crutches.
Weak with the crutches. With the crutches. Because we use the crutch. Ah, nice.
Yay! Okay, next. Oh, ikaw, ano, cutie.
You want to go forever? And cane. With the cane, yeah.
Together. Excellent.
Hey, wow. Thank you.
Cane.